Hi, this is Gavin from On Spot Repair, and today we're gonna look at it if you're starting a snowblower on a cold day and what do you need to do. Okay, the first thing here, if we come over and we have a look at here, okay, make sure this lever here is onto the rabbit, okay, not on the stop, and then the choke button is go right onto close, okay, and make sure the key is in place. If it without the key, it wouldn't run. Okay, you pump it 3 times or 4 times, okay, and then give it a push. If you pull it and the first time, if the machine don't run, then what you need to do is that you need to open the choke to 1 notch, okay, to run, or meaning open, okay? That way you allow more air to go in instead of just all fuel, okay? And then prime it again by pumping 3 times, okay? Keep it on the rabbit, make sure the key is in it, and give it a push. Running. You want it to wait. Don't open the choke so quick, okay? Wait until the machine warm up enough before you keep on opening the choke up. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped you whenever your machine is starting up in the cold. But if you're having problem, give us a call and we'll gladly to help you. Okay? Thank you.